Okay, so today I'm going to go over solving percent problems using a grid model. Many of you, I think, are struggling with this one, so I thought it would be important to kind of go over a few of them. So in this problem, it says Sarah and Elizabeth have exchanged 60 text messages. Sarah sent 42 of the messages. And it wants you to shade the grid to show the fraction of text messages that Sarah sent. So first of all, I'm just going to kind of count how many grids there are here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a 10 by 10 grid, which means it's 100. And if you'll remember, percent is out of 100. So really, we just have to find out what percent of text messages. So it says right here, it tells us that they exchanged 60 text messages. That would mean all together. And that Sarah, she sent 42 of them. So what we can do is we can set it up and use proportional reasoning. So if we use the part-whole model, we know that in this case, we're looking for 100%, or what part of 100% it is. We know that Sarah sent 42 of 60, so that 42 would be our part, and the 60 would be our whole amount. Okay, and then from here, we just had to figure out that piece of it. So it says you can use the model to help, and I know that seems like something that would be difficult to do, but we're really just looking for that piece of 100. So let's look at the relationship between let's start with our 10 like we usually do. So between 100 and 10, or sorry, from 60 to 10 is where we're going to start. So if I'm going from 60 to 10, then I'm dividing by 6. And here, I'd have to divide by 6 as well. Now, 42 divided by 6 is 7. So I know that 10% of the messages would have been 7, but I need to know what 100% is. So then I'm going to go and I'm going to say, okay, how do I get from 10 to 100? I would have to multiply times 10. So then to get from 7 to that part that we were looking for before, we would also multiply times 10, which means that 70% of the text messages were sent by Sarah. So since it's 10 by 10, I know that each one of these whole columns is going to be 10. So I'm going to go over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because 7 times 10 is 70. And I'm in the grid 70. And my answer is 70%. Okay, and that is just one example. I will have some more videos later on some other examples if you need them. But I'm just going to go ahead and post this one today so that you have at least one example to look at. I hope you all are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys another day. Have a good one. Bye.